Oh, hold on, chat. All right. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. Technical difficulties. Oh, and James is here just in time. Yo, what's good?
What's up, bro?
Having technical difficulties. I was having issues with my monitor.
All good, bro. My flipping webcam's been streaming. I got the guys to come check the it's been freezing, so I got the guys to come check my PC out. All good on the PC. So they're like, must be the software that you're using, StreamYard, or it must be on your side, like with them. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I need to log out my account, or whatever, or it's your webcam. So I might need to change the webcam, bro.
Dude, I just use an iPhone, man. I use an iPhone 13. Ever since I switched to that, look how nice it looks.
Interesting.
Apparently, Austin does that too. Austin uses an iPhone. He's the one who gave me the idea. Look at like this. If you get good lighting too, it looks proper, bro.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah, what's going on though, ASFX? Sorry, I'm late. Like I said, I had a couple technical issues. I'm gonna try and get my charts up. Sorry, I'm a little discombobulated now because I had a bunch of shit going on. There we go. How was your day, bro?
I'm red like $1,000 so far. I took 2 losses and 1 win. I should have been shorting YM. Tried to take the shorts on that opening range low break. Unfortunately lost, but yeah. That's where I'm at right now. And yourself?
I am green for the first time pretty much all week, bro.
Nice.
It's been a terrible week for me. I mean, I was green yesterday too. Luckily, I caught like a really big short yesterday,
sure,
which kind of made back most of the losses on my Apex accounts. But
okay.
Dude, I'm red on Tradeify Live accounts. I'm actually, dude, they might end up getting blown. It's crazy. As soon as I got accounts, the market started, trading in like the least favorable conditions for me as a trader.
Sure.
So they might get blown by next week. We'll see.
Yeah, I mean, I tried the opening range low short on NQ though. We did take the lows and then ended up just bouncing. So a bit of a frustrating morning. That was my trade here.
Do you want to get your chart up and show us? I want to go just grab my my drink real quick. I'll be right back.
Sure. I took this short over here on stream with Andre, and he also tried it. And then it looked good for the first 3 or 4 minutes and then just got out. So I ended up closing as soon as we held above the New York session view up. So I didn't take full stop, which was opening range high on it. But yeah, that's where I'm sitting at right now. I'm looking at, interestingly enough, it's very interesting. I was watching this and YM is actually below its New York session, below its weekly view app, which is obviously start of the week, like there. But NQ and ES obviously trading way above it. So very, very interesting. Definitely some big divergence there between the two right now. But yeah, guys, what's up, guys? How's your? Yeah, so green on the week, but red today, my side.
All right, we're back. We're back. Yeah, man. Sure. This week was pretty. I just kept trying to short it, man. I can't along these markets when they're just up at the highs of all-time highs and we're not pulling back in any capacity, no manipulation, no imbalance fills. It's like I've just kind of accepted when we get into those market conditions, I'm just going to be red, man, because I'm not going to switch the way I look at trading for 2 weeks of price action because I know that that's not what's usually happening. So like I've been thinking about this, like, how do I end up learning how to capitalize on these markets? And I think the reality is that I just don't really. I just size down because you never know when that's going to end. So it's just not something I can trade.
Sure. I mean, as I said, I'm green on the week, but red on the day. So, I haven't been too bad, but I do agree with you. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So, I mean, luckily, today and yesterday, bro, did you see the short I caught yesterday though?
I did. Yeah. That flashed on very, very nice. Yeah.
Yeah. And it's like nothing to really brag about, bro, because it pretty much just got me back to break even on the week on Apex. So it's not like it's much of a bragging type of trade, but it is nice to see it. Like it was fun to hold. There it is, guys. We caught 1,000 ticks on NQ.
Zach, I don't think they can see They can see. Oh no, they can. No, okay, it's up.
This should be our screen.
Yeah. No, it's good. It's good.
Okay. So I caught that, and then I actually caught shorts today, bro.
Yeah, dude, I wanted those shorts exactly like you did, but I think I was just a little bit too late on it. That's really it.
Bro, nice. I think I'm just never gonna blow these Apex accounts because I keep thinking I keep doing stuff where I'm like, yeah, I'll just blow them, bro, and I'll be a little more aggressive. But I'm just when I find I lost so many trades, bro, this week. Here, let me go to MNQ. Here's my short execution. So I caught this short right here. at the open. Now I'm at the point, bro, these accounts are almost due for another payout. They're almost eligible. So it'll be another $8,000 payout. So I guess I'm just going to keep trading the legacy accounts forever.
Sure.
But that's the short I took. Really, it was like I was looking for the midnight retracement, which once again, we never got. We never even got the midnight retracement. But I had seen the market kind of top out here for a short time. We inverted this like bullish 5-minute gap, which again doesn't mean it's a full-blown reversal, but made me think we can at least go a little bit lower. And then there was this 5-minute bearish gap right in here. So I got short from there. And I was just like, I just want to look for these lows to get taken right here. Like this looks like a weird wick. Like this is the type of low that I feel like is inducement. People put stops there. They stop them out and back. So that was my one short unfunded. And then I actually passed 3 Lucid Pro accounts today. So instead of trading my live accounts on Tradeify, I said it on stream. I was like, bro, I'm just going to get some one-day pass evals and try and pass them so that I'm not tempted to blow my live accounts today. And that's what I did. So I actually just passed these. So now I got 3 new accounts with Lucid.
Nice, dude. That's I think the big thing for you probably, or for anyone actually, is just that risk sinking like across different accounts.
So important.
So you don't end up giving it all back. I'm actually thinking I'm going to take a small short here on YM, by the way, bro.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'd like YM. So I'm in at 314 on YM. I'll have my stop at about these highs. If it comes out, I don't want it. I'll be looking for opening range low and maybe lower, but I'm going to take a small short here on my top point futures account.
Let's go. Dude, you know what's dope about Lucid, man? You pass those evals and you can request, you can activate your funded account that moment. Like it's instant activation.
Sick.
This is really nice, guys. Lucid is a really good firm. Hopefully we can lock in some payouts with them finally. But they are running 40% off right now. Code ZARB, if you want to lock it in. I got the pro accounts this time just because I could do one-day pass. So I was just trying to do that for a Friday for the stream.
Sure.
I think flex accounts might be better. I don't know, chat. Let me know. For people who've traded Lucid, you guys like the flex or the pro? Pro is one-day pass. Flex, you need at least 2 days to pass. But in the funded stage, the flex accounts, there's no daily loss limit, no consistency rule. So that's pretty lit.
Okay, nice. That is pretty. I mean, obviously, I'm just focused on my FTMO and top one futures for now, but we'll see. Got some South Africans. What's up, Lawrence? Good to have you in the chat.
Rob says this market has been wonky this week. Had a rough week as well. Yeah, listen, the markets have been tough, bro. I don't think that's deniable, unless you're just the type of person who like. When the market's going up, you just come in and you buy no matter what. You don't give a shit, and you just say, "I'm buying." Like, but most people don't trade like that. Thank you. Looking a little sideways, waiting to make a break. Could go either way. Yeah, I'll definitely be willing to take a trade on these new Lucid evals, or not evals, Lucid funded accounts. But I think I'm gonna go with the Mr. Zinc route again, bro, and just go.
What's that? 25K.
Well, no, I'm going to do it on the 50Ks, but I'm trading like 2 to 3 micros max position size.
Sure.
Bro, it's what I did with these Apex PAs, and that's how I got max payout with them. You know? I've had those Apex PAs since February, late February, bro. I don't come close to blowing them because I just trade 2 to 3 micros.
Yeah, so I'm trying the short on YM here, and I'll be targeting like maybe 270 to 80 on them. So it's not a big range on the moment on where we've been trading on YM. So we'll see what happens. NQ does seem to be coming down a little bit as well, bro.
Yeah, a little bit. I just don't know how to short. Like, I don't know, bro. I don't know.
Yeah,
my mind tells me I should short this, but I've just gotten destroyed on the shorts, especially in the PM session. Other than yesterday. Yesterday was good, but other than that, the shorts have been a killer, man.
Yeah.
Let's see. Saying Charles says I tried the top one elite daily, but I'm thinking about Lucid. Can't trade 2M news. I don't know what you mean you can't trade news, period. Yeah, Lucid, there's no news trading rule. If you want to check them out, bro, here's a link. Can't go wrong with Lucid, man. People just be loving them. Harry says my week was tough as fuck. Top Step dropped their they made it. Top Step is just, I think they're done, man.
What do you mean?
Bro, they lowered their payout cap, man.
Oh, shit.
They just keep like making their plans worse. They're doing like massive retroactive rule changes and they don't stop doing them. And they increase their prices. It's like absurd. Yeah, dude, they lowered their payout cap. So it used to be like no matter what account size, 50K, 100K, or 150K, you can get a $5,000 payout cap per account per payout. You know what I mean? But now they lowered the 50K account to a $2,000 payout cap, the 100K to a 3K payout cap, and then the 150K they kept the same.
Interesting,
dude. They're just low. I really think they're losing a lot of market share. I think they're done, man. Not that they're done. I'm sure they'll be around forever. But I think they're just not top dog anymore, bro. It's over. They have lost their place. They're not top dog. Is it just me or PA was fucked this week? Yeah, PA's been fucked.
Let's see. Oh, it's pretty slow, bro, right now.
5K down to 2K is crazy. Oh, seriously. It's a huge difference.
Yeah, 5K to 2K, bro. It's pretty wild. That's why, personally, for me, I'm just loving trading my FTMO accounts and personal at the moment, and obviously top one futures. So, yeah, we'll see. We'll see what we do. We do get. I got a payout with FTMO end of the week, but one of my accounts are in drawdown, so I'll have to just. I might actually just not trade that until, like, probably after like America. Even I'm down like 3.5% on it, so I might just. I just remember from last week Wednesday where I took that wick. Zach? Yeah. But yeah, we'll see. I would like to go for max funding though. That's for sure.
With top one futures or
no, FTMO. Remember, I got 300
for some reason.
Yeah, I got 300K. How's your count? Have you traded on your count that you got with him?
FTMO? No, I never ended up buying one.
NQ is coming down a little bit now as well, Zach.
I mean, maybe we get what happened yesterday.
Potentially.
Yesterday it just ripped like 1,000 ticks.
Yeah, that was pretty crazy.
That was insane.
What's ES doing? Yeah, ES, I mean, that does look pretty similar to yesterday, but I don't know if it
so
moved like it did yesterday. Jeez.
Yeah. So we've definitely broken initial balance and all that, right?
Yeah.
Way up. Okay. I mean, NQ is moving down a little bit here. How's your YM looking? It should be looking good, right?
Yeah. In the green.
Yeah, I'm going to trade 2 to 3 micros on these Lucid accounts. That's it.
FTMO in 2026, do you have new plans or something? FTMO is always going to be one of the top prop firms, right? It's been around since 2015. So I'm in South Africa. I can't really trade with, I can't trade with Top Step or Apex or some of those futures accounts. They're just in South Africa. They won't let me. But they've got that 1-step account, the new one. But I'll just take the 2-step, bro, personally.
Sanjeev says Iran air defense triggered caused the sell yesterday.
Interesting.
Are you sure it wasn't just those equal lows on ES? Wanting? I mean, you know, it's funny, bro. Like you see news and stuff, and I get it that news is what moves the market. But look at this. James, I talked about this on our stream on Wednesday. I had these equal lows. I was like, we need to at least come for these equal lows.
Sure.
double bottom. So it's funny because, yeah, it is news that brought that down. But where does it go? It does go to the double bottom. It goes to where the liquidity is and rips back.
Yeah.
So this is where technicals do matter. They matter a lot. Because that's not random. I'm sorry. That shit ain't random. That's the market manipulating to gather up orders and liquidity and then push the market back up.
Yeah, and it bounced quite aggressively from there too.
Yeah, it was a solid key level. Damn, the indexes are dropping a little bit. Imagine we do get that PM sell-off.
That would be quite nice. I wouldn't be surprised though, personally.
Yeah, no. My problem, man, is just like when we're at all-time highs and I want to follow trend, I just feel like I don't know what to target because I'm just targeting up into the clouds. FTMO MT5 is goated. I mean, to James, he agrees.
I like it, but I mean, I don't have any issues. So, yeah.
I mean, apparently everyone hates Tradeovate too, so I'm no one to talk. I love Tradeovate just because it's what I'm used to.
We can't really be picky, you know. We can't trade. I can't open up a personal brokerage account with Tradeovate.
Yeah. Rob says, I feel like Top Step has been slowly killing themselves over the past 6 to 8 months. Dude, they really have, man. But I think they've had to, like, they've kind of been forced into doing this because they got wrecked during the gold, you know, that crazy run up
in gold, yeah.
Yeah, I really think that's the Canon event that messed everything up for them. I think they were not ready for the risk. They had too many people getting like literally making 100K in a day, and they never had payout caps, or they had really large payout caps. I really think that's been the Canon event that set them on the wrong path. Now they're just alive. Hey, Daniel says, just got a Lucid Flex. Use your code. Hey, appreciate it, bro. Honestly, it's a great firm. Like I only have codes with firms that I really like. I have Tradeify, Lucid, and Apex. That's really what I got.
See, ES. So ES still penning. So yeah, I'm just in this YM trade, trying the lows underneath New York session view app, underneath daily view app, right? But obviously markets have been moving higher, but I would like to see a little bit of a rollover, Zach.
I'm with you, man. I would love to. I'm thinking about maybe just grabbing 2, because right now I have 3 Lucid fundeds that we just got funded in one day. I'm like, I could have 5. Maybe I just get 2 more evals instead of trying to trade the funded accounts today. See if we could do it again. You know what I did to pass these, bro? James, I just I took 5-point trades. So I would enter, target 5 points on NQ, and risk the entire daily loss limit to make 5 points with 2 minis. So it's $200 a piece. Yeah. I was like, okay, so if I do this 5 times in a row, then now I have a max $2,000 loss limit on the day. And the more money I make, the easier it gets, because it gets, it gets harder and harder to blow the account. So I was like, I just need to be really careful the first few trades and then just build off that buffer because it's end of day drawdown. And it worked out. So I'm thinking about trying to do that for evals from now on. I literally risked everything for 5 points and just did it over and over and over again. Daniel says, no problem. Now I got to troubleshoot on how to use it to trade on TradingView. I'll show you right now. Super easy, man.
Yeah, put up your screen.
Yeah, very easy. So I'm guessing you only have one account and you're not copy trading. So listen, if you try to use the copy trader, you're not going to be able to trade from TradingView without a third-party platform, just so you know. But if you're only trading one account and you don't plan to copy trade, yeah, you could do it on TradingView. What you're going to have to do is log into Tradevate first. Go here in the top right corner, application settings. Click here on add-ons. Scroll down. This will not be active. You'll have to click enable here for TradingView. Enable that, then log out, log back into Tradevate, then go to TradingView and log in on your account here. So like I'll log out of mine and do it. Go here, pick your broker. Your broker is obviously Tradevate. Click on demo, click connect, and then plug in your credentials again. And then bam. There you go. Yeah, only one, you're good then. What you doing this weekend, James?
Playing golf tomorrow, and then so golf tomorrow, and then just chilling with the family. Yeah.
Beautiful, man.
And yourself? What you up to, boss?
Honestly, probably not shit. Probably saying chilling with the family.
Yeah, just relaxing, dude.
Just relax.
100%. Yeah. I mean, I got golf early tomorrow, and then I think we do find out the sex of our next baby. I think it's this weekend or Monday, something like that.
Dude, nice. I know you want a boy, but I think you're gonna need to have a girl, bro.
We'll see.
You need to go half and half.
Yeah, but we're gonna have 4 or 5, so there'll be chance.
So you're good. All right. So you're happy either way.
Yeah.
You know there'll be more.
At some stage.
Daniel, no problem.
NQ is rolling over a little bit, yeah, bro.
It is, man. Dude, I hope you catch this short. I hope you catch a short like yesterday's. I hope this thing falls off the face of the earth. Yeah, for sure.
Dude, look at the video. It's up 4.79% today. That's why NQ is just so NQ is just so strong.
Ripper, look at that. Let's look at the daily on Nvidia. Nvidia is about to hit all-time high.
Yeah, it is literally.
Look at NQ though, man. Look at this. This has just been. When's the last time we had something like this? Let me go to the continuous contract. Dude, we haven't had like this April last year. Let's see. Yeah, kind of. Yeah, you kind of did, right? You had this.
Yeah.
So this shit happens like once a year. Then just massive bull market all summer 2025 into September. Then we finally start consolidating. When you zoom out, you like realize how simple it all is. It's just like up, 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 up. You start to pull back for a little bit. Up, 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 up. Start to pull back.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, bro. So if you can get one last flush for the week, just flush 300 points, YM. I'm not asking for much. You did it yesterday.
I think I'm going to project. I think you can get that flush today. I think all-time highs, though, in general, I'm going to predict here. This is where we top out before we consolidate a lot again. 28,300. I'm just the reason I'm going with that, I pulled some fib extensions here. And that would be 2 standard deviations of this move. This was 1 standard deviation and we blew right through. Apparently the 1.5, like you can get a little mean reversion pullback here, but apparently once you reach the 1.5, they say you're very likely to just go for 2 full standard deviations. So I think this might be a higher time frame target for the market to eventually slow down again. I got to get back into these standard deviations, man. They're really, really powerful.
Yeah, it doesn't look bad yet in my YM.
Good.
Yeah, cheers, guys. I appreciate it. One boy every year. Yeah. No, I think.
Did guys, who was watching ASFX TV? How'd the boys do?
Yeah, must have got the longs. Austin loves the longs.
Dude, when the market's like this, Austin just destroys.
Yeah.
I'm trying to find
my entry price on YM is 314. We're sitting at 321 right now.
Okay. Solid.
Oh, dude, my back gets sore from sitting down for a while.
Really? Oh man. Oh. Lewis got short on YM on the rejection off a New York VWAP at 49,323. Okay, so we got Lewis in here in this short with you. Okay, Brooks said Randy caught a long, Austin and Evan were flat. Interesting. Surprises me. Harry says, Bruce, I'm also from South Africa. We should link up, bro. I always comment on your TikToks.
Nice. Yeah, I don't check my TikToks too much. I must be honest. I just post on Buffer and I get off. So, but yeah, 100%. Hit me up on Instagram or Twitter. Hit me up on Instagram or Twitter, and we can link up for sure.
Need more music on here.
Yeah, no, they put that music on, bro. I actually enjoyed that night driving one. It's actually pretty relaxing.
I always have that.
Yeah, that's the one, boss.
Prop for a Match has like so many songs on here. I wonder. I don't know.
They must have added them, bro. 100%.
Dude, have you heard Luna's AI music?
No.
Bro, it's so funny. He made AI music where like he put his trading journal into Claude or something and had it make music, like rap music about trading, bro. And it's actually so good. It's insane. The chat loves it. They always want it on.
Interesting.
I wish I could play it right now, but I don't believe I can play it here. Bro, it's so good. It's fire. I need to ask him to send me that. Next time you're on PFM TV, ask him to play one.
Okay, I'll be on, I think Wednesday or so next week. We'll have to see.
What's up, Dylan?
Yeah, I don't like this at the moment. Very choppy, but we still are underneath New York session. We have.
Yeah, your YM is looking good. NQ is ripping. Oh no, YM's going back up. I was looking at it from the delay. What's up, ZARB? What's up, Kelvin? It's good, man. Friday, Capital Preservation Friday, as they say. Yeah, I could go over some of these Apex accounts. James, I had no idea that I was actually kind of close to another payout on these already. I'm gonna pull up this dashboard.
James Rose, that's a secret source. Friday night graft. Yeah, dude, I'm always grafting, bro. Bruce, please explain the thinking behind the YM shorts. We're underneath New York session VWAP and the daily VWAP. Just looking to get some extension back down towards the lows. I already made money shorting it over here down to lows, so I'm just trying it again. So yes, the other two indexes are moving higher, but we're underneath both the daily and the New York session. So I'm just trying to take a little bit of a short back down to lows. That's the thinking on it.
Yeah, can't hate it. I'm going to show you guys this. So there's my 4 Apex accounts, same ones I've had since February 18th. These accounts. So this one is already eligible for a payout, but I'm going to wait. I could request. The reason I'm going to wait is because I want to get these back up to 54,500 minimum, because that's when I'll be able to take out 2,000. So that one is pretty much done, and I made another 300 today. So I'm like $700-800 away from it, from the payout. And we got the other 4. These ones are not eligible, but they're close. I have the minimum payout balance. I have the consistency rule. Again, the only thing is minimum trading days, but also I do want to make more. I want to get these accounts up to 54,000.
Make sure you'll make sure that the speaker's coming through the right one.
Okay, hold on. Let's see. Oh yeah.
Sometimes changes, yeah.
Yeah, that's better now, right?
Not much better, yeah.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you. But yeah, so the other 3 accounts, they're also eligible after 2 more trading days. But once again, this is at 53.8. I want to get them all to 54.5. If I do that, I get another $8,000 payout. So I don't think it'll happen in April. I mean, it could actually. It could happen next week. It's possible. So that'd be great. But if not, then hopefully early May we can get that locked in. But those are the Apex accounts, man. These are these are the longest accounts I've had out of my entire rotation right now. Is these ones. I've had them since February.
Yeah, I don't really like this bar on YM. We're actually in profit for a little bit, not switching. But I'm gonna, as long as we hold underneath the VWAP, I'll stay in. I mean, I've got a good stop loss on it, so it's obviously the shorts have been very, very tough to pay right now.
Yeah,
but we are underneath the VWAPs on YM, so just trying to do that. But ES and NQ just popping a little bit there as well.
Nice, dude. What up, Zach? Love the new place. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. Yeah, I can't wait to move, man. I'm not moving until June. That's when we're moving in. So it'll be like a month and a half. I'll be moved in right before I go to London, the London prop firm expo thing. Are you going to that, James?
No. I'm not.
That makes sense. You're already going to be in the States for a long time.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Alex says, this looks like a high low for me. Yeah, exactly. That's why late on a Friday, I'm very small risk at the moment. I'll probably got like $300 on this, give or take.
What is your guys' opinion on how to play the prop game? Good question. For me, it's an ROI game. That's it. ROI. However you get a positive ROI is all good in the world with me. So if you do that from trading massively negative risk reward and you're looking at your eval cost as nothing but a business expense and how much can you extract payouts by going on winning streaks with negative risk reward, I think you're a good prop trader. If it's the other way around, you would rather trade your accounts slowly and efficiently and let those payouts stack up after building up a strong balance in there, and you don't want to blow accounts at all, you want to blow as least amount as possible, that's also a very good way to play prop. As long as your ROI is positive,
yeah,
that's the game, in my opinion. You agree, James? I feel like
dude, if you spend 10 grand and you make 20 grand, you made money.
Yep, you made money. That's it. Oh, Darren says he'll be at the Prop Fest. Let's go, man. Can't wait to meet you then. I'll be there.
Yes, sir.
Zach, can you explain how to copy trade on Tradeovate? Yeah, I can show you that real quick. It's really easy. Go to Tradeovate. Now, what you're going to do is, assuming you have multiple accounts, right? What you're going to do is, here, I'll even remove this and I'll do the whole thing over. I'll create a new group to show you what to do. How do I get rid of this? Whatever. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go in here. You're going to go up here to your accounts. Click on the drop-down menu. Now, you're going to click on Manage Groups. Click that. When you want to create a new group, if you've never used it before, you're going to have to do this. Click on this plus sign. Put in a name. Name it. This is going to be your group copier. So I already made one. I called it 6K, right? So what you would do is, all your accounts are going to be here on the left side. Whatever accounts you want to copy, you literally just drag them over here. Click Save. Account group saved. Close. And now here's the one other thing that you need to understand. People think this is confusing, but it's really not. So when you want to use it, first off, you need to be on one of the accounts that you're copying. And then you need to click on the group name. So you need to see that check in front of your account group. Okay. Now, a lot of people think, okay, I have my copier on. If I want to trade 5 micros on all 3 of my accounts, I'm trading 3 accounts, right? I put the group, or you go back, I have 3 accounts linked to my group. So let's say a lot of people think, they go, okay, I want to trade 5 micros on all 3 accounts. So when I put my position size in, they think I'm going to put in 5 micros, but that's not what you're going to do. This area, you need to put your total contracts in. So what that means is, if I want to trade 5 micros on each of my 3 accounts, I need to do the total contract size. So I need to multiply the amount of contracts I want to trade, which is 5, times the amount of accounts I'm copy trading. So 5 times 3, if I'm trading 3 accounts, 15. So if I put 15 here, that will copy them evenly. It will do 5 micros on each of my accounts in the group. So you can see this. It'll say 15 here, but if I set a limit order right here, it says sell 15, right? But if I click on it, oh wait, I got to put the copier on. So there you go. Now I'm on 6K. Here you go. Sell 15. I click on it. See how it says sell 5? I just set a limit order for 5. Now there's 5 micro limit order on every one of my accounts. So people get confused by that, but it's really not that confusing. Just total contract size, multiply it by the amount of accounts you're trading.
So if you wanted to trade 10 across 3, you'd hit 30.
Well, you can't. Yes, correct. Exactly. Give me a thumbs up or something if that makes sense. All right, NQ is going to make another high, it looks like.
Yeah. See, YM is just definitely lagging, bro.
Yeah, YM tends to do its own thing. But that's good. At least you shorted the right instrument. You know, you're not out here trying to short NQ.
Yeah, exactly. I mean,
man, a whole lot of nothing.
Yeah.
So what about James? If this trade is in the exact same place when we get off in like 10, 12 minutes, are you just going to cut the trade, or are you going to hold it and see what happens?
I'll hold until close, bro, on this trade. Yeah.
So once you're in. You're committed.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, NQ's about to make a new high right now, it looks like. Chat, is anybody long or short? Anyone in a trade? Excuse me. Yo, you know what? Let's also get a P&L check for the week, guys. Up or down for the week. I did this on prop for match, and bro, it was like 50-50 for people being green or red for the entire week. And the thing is, you gotta always grade that on like a curve, because if someone's actually red that week, they're probably not like, I bet a lot of people just don't press anything.
Sure.
So if you get 50-50, that means there's a shitload of people that are red.
Interesting.
Definitely more than green.
Sure. Yeah, Nvidia just on such a big tear, bro. It's yeah. Still interesting to see that that YM has been bearish on the week. Actually, as I said, we're underneath the weekly VWAP on it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, we got a little update here. Owen is long on ES. Harry is long on MES. Nas is up on the week. Owen is red for the week. Julio is up on the week, plus $710. Brooke passed a Lucid Flex this week and up 400 on first day of funding. Let's go. Harry lost 130K live funds on Wednesday. What?
Jeez. Rands or dollars?
Yeah, what, dude? Not USD, right? Please don't tell me USD.
Yeah, jeez.
130K live funds. Is that 130K South African dollars or
yeah,
what?
It would be like $8,000, not $8,000.
I'd be like, okay, that would be fair enough. Are you South African? ZAR. Oh, okay, ZAR. So we lost like 8K.
It's still not fun though.
Oh, it's not fun. But okay, I thought you like blew, a small retirement fund or a small your kid's college fund or something. No, it sucks, man. I'm sorry.
James, are there any larger brokers and can trade YM on SA like XM, for example? Yeah, XM, you can trade US30. It's YM. It's the same asset.
Do you have any tips for setting TP and stop loss with TradeAvate on TradingView? I've never used it. It's not really a tip, but I'll show you how to do it.
Sure. Get your screen up. Yeah.
Okay, so let me log back into Lucid here. Oh, wait. I'm already logged in. Right here. Okay. So let's go to micros. So I have my Lucid accounts right here. Let's say I want to set a limit order, just like we did on TradeAvate, but we want to do it on TradingView. So I have these buy and sell buttons up here. If you don't have that, it's very easy to get them up there. Go click on the TradeAvate symbol, go to TradeAvate, go to trading settings. And right here, it's under trading. See these? It says buy and sell buttons. See how I just got rid of them? Put those on so that you have them. And then save that. So then literally just click sell. If you want to set a limit order, set your limit order. Literally just drag it, whatever price you want, click it. Now you have a limit order up. You want to get rid of it, close it. Same thing at market. You can just do a sell market order. If I hit this, I'll be in a short immediately. Your limit order is going to be your take profit, right? So like I can do that, get in at market here. If I'm in a long something, put TP here, stop loss there. That's it. Just drag it. It's really easy.
In the form of futures, no, you can't trade futures as a personal account in South Africa. It's not possible with TradeAvate. But you can trade YM, US30, DAO. It's the same thing.
Does the US have beef with South Africa or something? Why? Like, I don't
know, dude. I don't know. I just know we can't trade futures in South Africa with like TradeAvate. It's physically impossible.
Yeah.
Even if you have a US passport, difficult. You can't live in South Africa and trade futures.
You can buy the U.S. stock market though, right? Like you could own Tesla shares on the New York Stock Exchange.
Yeah, 100%. So it's got to do with the CME for sure.
Yeah. Okay. Zach, how you doing with your live Tradeify accounts? Terrible, man. I was just talking about it before. They're close to being blown, bro. I get those live accounts and then I get like the worst market conditions personally for me. Like other people can do well in these conditions. I can't. They're not going well, man. They are not going well. Sucks. But you know what? If I blow them, in 4 weeks, I can trade with Tradeify again. And this time around, like even if I get one payout, I think they're going to move me live right away. So I'll try again. I'll try and get them again because I'm pretty sure once you go live once, they said they give you a 4-week cool down period. And then if you get funded again and you get to a payout, I think they pay you out or just bring you right to live. I don't know. So
sure.
I'll try again, man. I'll make it happen. It sucks. It is what it is.
Yeah, but it is what it is. Obviously, it's not fun, but you're gonna have drawdown periods, that's for sure.
Yeah, man, absolutely. James, I think your picture froze. Look at NQ. Yeah. Oh my god.
Jeez, yeah, I'm gonna close that one YM.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, bro, what the hell is happening?
It just doesn't stop going up, man.
Look at that. So I'll close on YM, but what the hell is that? There's definitely something to shook up the market.
Bro, Donald Trump just won't let the market go down because he just like one of his biggest flexes. He likes to say that the market's up. So he just will do whatever he can to make sure it doesn't go down.
Oh yeah. Okay, so I got tagged on that, like minus 300.
Okay. Yeah, fair enough, bro.
Look at it coming all the way back down now. Went up to 400, back down 40 points.
Jesus Christ. Tanner's asking, will that still copy all your accounts on Tradeivate from TradingView? No, unless you use a third-party copier. So you can use third-party copiers like TradeSyncer, Traders Post, Tradecopia, any of those like Replicanto, any of those third-party copiers, you have to pay for that. You can use that to copy from TradingView, but if you don't want to set up a third-party copier, which I don't, I just use the Tradeivate copier, you have to hit the buy and the sell button inside of Tradeivate, which is what I do. And a lot of people think that that's like the end of the world. I don't know why. It doesn't bother me at all. You actually get better execution on the trade directly on the Tradeivate platform than TradingView because, okay, like if I set an order here and then I get filled and I do
put the screen on. Put the screen on.
Okay. If I do this from TradingView, like the thing is, so when you're executing on TradingView, what it's doing is sending a signal from TradingView back to Tradeivate that you want to enter a trade, right? And then from Tradeivate, it has to trigger and then go back to TradingView. Now, all of this happens in the matter of a second. But when you're day trading, that second or that half a second, believe it or not, can be a pretty huge difference, especially if you're trading NASDAQ, right? So you're going to experience a slight lag when you're executing directly on TradingView because of that. It has to ping from both platforms. So if you do it directly on Tradeivate, it's going to be instantaneous. So you actually get a better execution and a better fill when you're entering directly on Tradeivate. So even if I could do this, like if I set up the third-party copier, I like having that instant execution, especially if you're scalping. It's actually be really important. So
sure.
Yeah, that's my take on it, man. I think executing from Tradeivate directly is perfectly fine. I actually think it's better. Like trading is not hard enough by itself. We have the orange idiot causing so many stop losses. Oh damn, dude! It's already about to be 2 o'clock.
Oh geez, yeah, that actually went pretty quickly.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, yeah, right on the day. So we'll be back Monday.
Yeah. One of them days, guys. Friday. Happy Friday. Capital Preservation Day. I wish everyone luck. If you guys are going to keep trading, good luck. Godspeed. I'm definitely done.
Yeah, 100%. I'm going to go, it's Friday evening. I'm going to go chill and relax, bro. And then I'll go golf tomorrow.
Yeah, man. All right, James. Enjoy, bro. I'll talk to you later. I'll see you on Monday for sure. Back for the kill zone. By the way, guys, if you want to get ready on Monday, you want to, trade the New York Open with the rest of the guys on ASFX TV directly, you can get it totally for free. I'll drop the link right here for you guys. You can get it for free for a month. Just use this link right here. I just dropped it in the comments. So go ahead, get that going. And yeah, we'll catch you on Monday, though, regardless.
Yes, sir.
All right, James. Have a good one, bro.
Cheers, guys. Have a good one.
Cheers.
Yes, sir.
Peace.